Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Bike. Today we're excited to share with you our thoughts on the highly anticipated 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4. This bike has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we can't wait to dive in and explore its features. The first thing you'll notice about the Tuono V4 is its sleek and aggressive design. The bike's lines are sharp and angular, giving it a menacing look that's sure to turn heads on the road. The LED headlights and taillights add a touch of modernity, while the signature Aprilia exhaust note is music to the ears. But it's not just about looks. The Tuono V4 is a beast on the road. Powered by a 1078cc V4 engine, this bike produces a staggering 175 horsepower and 89 lb-ft of torque. The power delivery is smooth and linear, making it easy to ride in the city or on the track. One of the standout features of the Tuono V4 is its advanced electronics package. The bike comes equipped with cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control, giving riders peace of mind when pushing the limits. The Aprilia Quick Shift EQS system allows for seamless upshifts and downshifts, making it feel like a true track machine. On the road, the Tuono V4 is a joy to ride. The suspension is firm but compliant, soaking up bumps and irregularities with ease. The Brembo brakes provide incredible stopping power, and the Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV tires offer grip and confidence in abundance. But what really sets the Tuono V4 apart is its versatility. Whether you're carving up twisties or cruising down the highway, this bike is comfortable and composed. The ergonomic seat and handlebars provide a comfortable riding position, and the adjustable suspension lets you tailor the bike to your preferences. In conclusion, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 is an incredible machine that checks all the boxes. With its stunning looks, incredible performance, and advanced electronics, it's a bike that's sure to satisfy even the most discerning riders. Whether you're a seasoned track veteran or just starting out, the Tuono V4 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Drive Bike. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and content. Hey,